Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to record your voiceover audio on DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, you want to make sure that you are on this music button, which is called Fairlight. And now, as you can see, there is audio 1, 2, and B1. So you want to choose this one here and rename it to, for example, voice over. So I would know that it is this one. Now, once you are here, here is a mixer on the right corner. And as you can see, the A2, which is our voiceover, there is no input. So you want to add an input and choose a microphone. So I'm just going to choose my microphone like so and leave it to voiceover. Now let's click on patch. Now, when you patch it, you just basically exit it right there. And now on A2, you want to click ARM for record R button. And if you want to record, you want to choose this circle button, which is for record. And now you're just gonna record your audio. Now my MacBook Air microphone doesn't work right now because I'm using a Blue Snowball, but basically that's how you record it. Now once you want to stop, you're gonna click this square to stop, and now you have this voiceover, and that's how you record a voiceover, add an audio to DaVinci Resolve.